see, Elsa has arrived here in Cherry Grove, South Carolina. Got here around 4 or 5 o'clock this morning. About at 9 o'clock, she's still battering the coast. It hasn't been real bad. Mostly winds, rains, thunder and lightning. Thank the Lord we're all okay. Widespread damage. Just mainly after this passes, they're encouraging everybody, of course, not to be in the ocean, not be in the water because of the rip currents. Pretty rough here early this morning. Just on the coast now. We'll be praying for all of our neighbors up North Carolina, Virginia, and all up that way. All those fine folks, fair ones up that way. Another good gust, squall line, I guess they call it. Flag just went down. Hello everyone, it's Pastor Lon, Homestead and Pastor. I'll take you guys along and show you a little bit of the aftermath of Elsa. Tropical storm. She hit Cherry Grove early this morning about 4 or 5 o'clock. The rain's pretty much moved out. It's still cloudy and real windy. To the ocean. I'll show you see what's going on down here. I'm gonna turn this camera around and avenue we're living on this week, the water is standing here and the whole road flooded. I've already been out of here this morning. It's actually running across right here underneath that house. I apologize, it was kind of shaky, but that wind's still pretty strong. I don't know what the gusts are right now, but it was high tide when it came in on shore, or came up this coastline here this morning in South Carolina. High tide at 7 o'clock. The tide's going out now, but as you can see, wind's still blowing hard, and this road is flooded. Back what I just walked through. But as I said, we're gonna walk on down here to the ocean on the strand and see what the Atlantic's looking like this morning. See what we might run into down here. Stay tuned. Okay, y'all. All I can tell you is, wow. Angry today. Just wanted to give you all a little bit of a glimpse of what's going on down here on the South Carolina coast. The week of July 4th, as Elsa is exiting South Carolina, headed on up to North Carolina. It's just amazing. See a little bit of blue sky though, a little bit of blue sky, but it's still windy and the waters are still raging. see. The Atlantic was raging. I just wanted to bring y'all along so we could family what was going on down here on the coast of South Carolina. We're ready to head on back to the house. And I'll let Jim Cantor and his weather guys and gals take care of the weather for now. It's been pretty fun. It's right here in your home state. I know this camera's kind of wobbly because I can't really hold it. The wind is really that strong. I want to get back on and show you. There's still a little bit of water in this avenue that we're staying on, but it's gone down a lot. This is a lot less here than it was earlier. As you can see, it was across the road all down here for a good little ways. See dark clouds back that way. You can look, it's blue sky, and the sun is peeping out. So I'm headed on back to the house now. Hope you enjoyed this little weather adventure I took you along with me on, and pray that God's kept his hand of protection upon everybody during this storm, and as Elsa's passed on by and gone on up North Carolina, Virginia, and Northeast, and we pray that everybody up there be safe. We praying for all those, our neighbors to the north. Until next time, remember, Jesus Christ loves you. Jesus Christ is the answer. Dealing with in life. Hope y'all have a wonderful rest of the week. God bless you.